After you have reviewed the generic scheduling aids and all applicable split MIPs, sort the report by MIP by clicking on the MIP column header. Review all remaining line-out reasons and scheduling aids from this view. Pay special attention to the 5000 MIP series to ensure the correct scheduling aids are being used for this shared MIP. A shared MIP is a MIP owned by multiple work centers but for different pieces of equipment for each work center. With a shared MIP, each work center is responsible for tailoring the MIP to match the equipment within their cognizance. This requires intimate knowledge of the work center by the work center supervisor and the LCPO. When reviewing the remaining lineouts, start with the first scheduling aid used on the MIP as a lineout reason and verify its accuracy by reading the details of that scheduling aid. For example, we will review MIP 1651/005 for work center CA01. This MIP has 11 scheduling aids. It should be noted that not all scheduling aids are directives to line out the maintenance requirement. Some scheduling aids provide guidance and amplify information about when and how to accomplish a maintenance requirement. Scroll down the MIP to find the first maintenance requirement that is line out. From this MIP, we see that the D2R has been lined out using scheduling aid number 2. Now let's review the accuracy of this line out by reading the details and guidance of this scheduling aid. Scheduling aid number 2 states, MRC's D2R, 18M4, and R3Q are only applicable to ships with analog, Barton, gauge installed as gauge WGA10. If this scheduling aid is applicable to D2R, it should also be applicable to 18M4 and R3Q, which means 18M4 and R3Q should also be lined out with scheduling aid number 2 as the justification for the line out. As we can see, the 18M4 and R3Q are also lined out with scheduling aid number 2. The next scheduling aid used on this MIP is SA1 for MRC R4Q. For this example, it should be noted that this work center's digital electronic pressure indicator, DEPI, is manufactured by Prime Technology Model 9213. Upon reviewing scheduling aid number 1, it states, MRC's D1R, 18M2, R2Q, U1, and U7 are only applicable to ships with the digital electronic pressure indicator installed as gauge WGA10. There are two types of the EPI gauges. Volumetrics Model 7809. Prime Technology Model 9213. SA1 further elaborates and dictates what maintenance is required for each DEPI. Since CA01 has the Prime Technologies Model 9213, as per SA1's notes A and B. 18M2 and RQ applies to this work center but U1, U7, and R4Q do not. So, as we examine the U1, U7, and R4Q checks further down the MIP, we should see these checks lined out with scheduling aid 1 as the reason for these lineouts. Repeat this review process for all remaining MIPs and lined out MRCs within the work center.